Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. It's me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College Nowshera Feroz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 4, Introduction to GW Basic. So dear students, before going to the detail of this chapter, we have to consider that what does mean by programming and why is programming language used for or learned for. So dear students, programming language is one of the languages that is based on the technical languages, and programming language is used to design or develop softwares. So dear students, a person who wants to be a software engineer or software developer, he needs to keep expertization in programming language. So programming language makes a person perfect programmer or designer or developer of a software. So dear students, the softwares that we purchase in market, for example, you use MS Office for school purposes or office purposes, and Adobe Photoshop software, CorelDRAW, operating systems, all these softwares are developed in programming languages. So dear students, programming language enables us to be a software engineer or software developer. So in this chapter, we are going to study about introduction of GW Basic. So basic here on book page number 34, you see that basic is written in capital letters and basic stands for beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. It means this language is very easy for new beginners, or this language is very easy for the persons who are newly learning GW Basic. So a person who wants to be a programmer, first of all he has to concentrate on GW Basic, and GW Basic is very simple for writing programs. So dear students, programming language also uses some syntax, rules or keywords using commands and statements. So commands and statements will be discussed in coming up lecture. So dear students, today's lecture is based on the GW Basic. GW Basic is a simple programming languages. It uses statements and commands that are written with the letters of English alphabet. So dear students, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज एक ऐसी टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज होती है जो किसी भी बंदे को सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनने में या सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर बनने में मदद करती है. कोई भी जो यूज़र होता है, इफ़ अ बॉडी वांट्स टू बी ए सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर or software developer, first of all he has to concentrate on any programming language, because programming language uses the technical words, syntax or keywords that enables a person to design a software. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनने के लिए हमें ज़रूरत होती है प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज पढ़ने की, और इस चैप्टर में आपकी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है GW Basic. GW Basic stands for Beginners All Purpose Symbolic इंस्ट्रक्शन कोड। इसमें क्या होता है, स्टेटमेंट्स होती है और कमांड्स होती हैं जिनके थ्रू आउट हमें एक पाथ मिल जाता है सॉफ्टवेयर बनाने का। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने GW बेसिक का इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ा है। जो कमिंग लेक्चर होगा उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ कमांड, लोड, लिस्ट, रन कमांड एंड अदर स्टेटमेंट्स एज इफ और एल्स स्टेटमेंट्स. So these topics will be discussed in coming up lecture. So dear students, we have discussed introduction to GW Basic in this lecture. Dear students, your homework is to define GW Basic in voice message on our WhatsApp group. It means you will have to define GW Basic on our WhatsApp group. So dear students, you can revise the definition or you can memorize the definition of GW Basic on book page number 34. You will have to memorize definition that GW Basic is a simple programming language. It uses statements and commands that are written with the letters of English alphabet. So dear students, you will have to simply define GW Basic in your own words, but you can get hint from book page number 34. So dear students, your homework is to define GW Basic in voice message and you will share your voice message definition on our WhatsApp group. Okay dear students, we will come and meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5.